This is Achocha, Bolivian cucumber, a fantastic plant, especially for us. We live in center of Europe and on the hill, which is more than 600 meters above the sea level, and so we cannot plant here peppers. Even though this is called Bolivian cucumber, it tastes like mix of cucumber and peppers, and we mostly use it in meals where we would like to use peppers. So here you see achochas that we harvest. I always look for the larger ones and just screw them like this. They come out easily. What is great about Achocha that it's completely pest-free. It's the end of the season now, and as you can see, it has no mold, no pests. It's perfect. They are long vines, so give them some kind of wire or trellis to go on. Don't let them be only on the soil. Then I clean my achochas. I take one with the hook to the knife, cut the top, cut it from the top to the bottom, open, and this one is really great because you just take the seeds out, and if they are like this, it jumps out and the seeds are black, you just tear down the seeds, dry them, and keep them in some sachet to the next year to plant them again. This year I had a lot of achochas just from 3 plants. So if the seeds are like this, you can keep them. Let's see next one. Again, hook to the knife, cut the top, cut it down, open, and these seeds are not ready. So we just take everything out and again clean it. Done. All right, just hope that's clear. Now you know how to do it. When achochas are cleaned, you can use them either way. Use them like you would use peppers. For instance, you can cut them and put them right into some fresh salads. You can eat them like this, just alone. If they are not broken in pieces, they are like this, you can stuff them with some mixture of meat and cheese and bake them. Or you can cut them like this into pieces. That's what I am doing. And during the whole season, I cut the additional ones like this, put them in packs, and put them in freezers so that I can take them out anytime during the winter and use them in any type of meals. I always write what's inside, like you can see here, ACH, and 20 means it's the year 2020. Regarding freezer, I prefer these packs because boxes are not saving space. This one is better. Here are the black seeds from my this year's Achocha's harvest. They are already dried, and I will keep them for the next year to have my new plants. I will take the seeds, soak them in water for 24 hours, then place them into small garden pots with soil and keep them at home. And when the time outside is ready, I'll place them into garden beds. Don't forget to give them some kind of trolleys or wires so that the vines can go up on. This year's I had only 3 plants, and we had Achochas and still have really a lot of them for the whole family. So only few plants is enough. Next year I would probably plant 6 Achochas, and that would be really enough for the whole season and also to store in the freezer for the whole winter.